Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to know if your computer is hacked or not. So it is very easy, let's begin. First of all, you need to click on this little arrow in the bottom right corner and go to Windows Defender. Click on this little shield, and here in the Windows Security go to Virus and Threat Protection and choose Scan Options right here. Now go and choose Full Scan and click on Scan Now. So basically Windows Defender first of all will scan your entire computer, and if there are some problems with it, it will show you and you can delete them manually or it will delete it by himself. So wait a little bit. So when the scan is finished, the next thing I'll suggest you to do is to type on your keyboard Windows plus R and type MRT and click OK. Basically, it will open the next application that will scan your computer. Click Yes in the pop-up window. This application will scan your computer for malicious software, so click Next, click on Full Scan, Next, and wait once again until this thing will finish scanning. But if the previous method didn't find any malware, you can skip this step. The next step I'll suggest you to do is to simply click on Windows plus R once again, and now you need to type net plwiz. Click OK, and here basically if you will find any usernames that does not belong to you, you need to click on them and remove, because maybe this is the hacker that just got access to your computer. Click OK, and the last step I'll suggest you to do is you need to go to the Windows, click on the settings right here, go to the apps and go to the startup and check if there are any suspicious applications that are opening automatically when your computer startups. So basically click and turn off the application that you think are suspicious, and basically that is it. That is how you know if your computer is hacked or not. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.